Hello guys, welcome to today's video, and as you probably saw from the title, Political Gaming Wednesday is back. Yay! I have a lot of videos planned up for this week, the rest of the week, and I think you guys will really like them. So if you want to stay notified and be ready when those videos come out, make sure you are subscribed and have your notifications on. Just let me just lower my music volume. I mean, you guys can hear it, I don't think, but like I can hear it. It's booming right now, and my volume was at 100. AI versus AI. Let's see. I haven't actually planned anything. Maybe I should just spin it. And we get Howie Hawkins. Okay, Howie Hawkins versus who? Oh wait, should we do Howie Hawkins versus Joe Jorgensen? Because I have her as well. No, I think I deleted her. Oh shoot. We can't have a third party back. Should we do... Okay, wait, then change of plan. What if we did Bernie Sanders versus Bill Weld? Sure, nah, not really. What if we did Raphael Warnock? Sure. Raphael Warnock versus... Which Republican would go well there? Which Republican should face off Raphael Warnock? Raphael Warnock. I don't know who should face him. Who would be a good enough candidate to run you over? Okay, not literally. Maybe, yeah, let's go Josh Hawley. Josh Hawley versus Raphael Warnock. What can go wrong? A lot. Apparently, I don't know. I'm guessing. So right now, the popular vote, Warnock leading by just a slim 2%. It seems in the Electoral College, Raphael Warnock is dominating. His home state of Georgia will really help you. He's dominating the Electoral College. Well, not dominating. He's winning. But I could easily see Hawley win. If Hawley focuses his efforts on Florida and the Rust Belt, he could win this election. And I don't think he's going to carry Georgia, but this game is weird. So maybe he will carry Georgia. Oh, Ohio just went to Raphael Warnock, and now it's a toss-up once again. Okay, let's read what happened here. I am Josh Hawley, and I oppose the environment. Hawley, first of all, you shouldn't be spending in California. Second of all, as a Californian, that is the worst type of ad to run in California. I am Raphael Warnock, and I support stopping the coronavirus. Okay, great. I'm Josh Hawley, and I support investigating Hunter Biden. That's actually pretty realistic. I'm Josh Hawley, and I support filling Supreme Court vacancy. And Florida is going blue right now. America first, says Josh Hawley. Minnesota went red for a second. Protecting the environment, says Raphael Warnock. I think Warnock's going to win this, judging from so far. But as I said, the game gets crazy sometimes. So who knows? So yeah, as I said, I have a ton load of videos ready. Tons of video ideas ready for you guys. And to know when those videos come, you should stay subscribed with your notifications on so that you can experience those videos. I hope you guys are excited for those videos because it took me a long time to set them up. So if you want those videos, it would also be recommended to like and comment. Oh, Texas just went toss-up. That is not good for Hawley. Hawley says draining the swamp, and Warnock is universal healthcare and renewable energy. And then, okay, Warnock is just smashing it now. Warnock is going full in. Wait, they picked VPs. Who's this? Rufus King. Great. Raphael Warnock picked the founding father, Rufus King. Charlie Baker is Josh Hawley's. Charlie Baker is the Republican governor of Massachusetts, if you didn't know. And why it's so weird is because Baker is more of a liberal Republican, while Hawley is a Trumpian populist. I highly doubt that Hawley would pick him in real life, but this is a political simulation, and crazy things happen here. And by the way, as I said before, Political Gaming Wednesday is back, if it wasn't obvious already. For some people, though, this might not be coming out on Wednesday. Oh, Indiana just went Hawley's screwed. You know what? We could at this time just project this for Warnock. And now I'm gonna be screwed, and at the end Warnock's gonna lose, isn't he? That's probably what's gonna happen. Oh, it just went blue, but then it went back to purple. You saw that, right? Hawley said ridiculing opponents on social media. I always found that a weird thing to endorse. Nobody endorses that; they just do it. Warnock is just not using his money. Warnock, use your money more. You have so much money. You don't need to save up all that. I don't know. I'm Raphael Warnock and I support stopping the COVID-19 virus. Okay. Warnock opposes building the wall. I am Hawley and I support filling Supreme Court vacancy. Warnock opposes corporate tax cuts. He's saying that everywhere. Warnock opposes this. Well, yes, he does oppose that, but why oh yeah, I was about to say, why are you campaigning in these states? Safe red. They're not safe red. Hawley says investigate political opponents. And the popular vote, Warnock is dominating in the popular vote. And even in the electoral college as well. We could just take a quick look. 368. And it's 1 week from election night. Warnock, I'm going to tell you, you're going to lose this election. Oh, last week, yep, Warnock's going to win. Oh, wait, I said Warnock, I'm telling you, you're going to lose this election. I mean, Hawley, you're going to lose this election. Let's not speed things up. I prefer the election night theme. Oh, he's carried Pennsylvania, he's carried North Carolina and Virginia. He barely lost South Carolina. Now, that's not a good sign. He wins in Florida. He lost Georgia, but he wins Ohio. That is insane. That is accursed. That is cursed. Oh, Warnock's actually doing pretty good. Okay, I might want to speed this up. I think Hawley's doing better than I expected, though. Like, he still carried Georgia. I find that really weird. He can't carry Georgia but lose Ohio. That doesn't make any sense. Oh, yeah, he's won. Because whatever the Democrats have, you really always need to add 55 electorals to that and then analyze because of California. So, yeah, he got 359 electorals. I consider 350 a landslide, so it's a landslide victory. So, let's just look at the map. How much did he lose Georgia by? How much did he lose Georgia? I want to look at Georgia and Ohio. He lost by 1% in Georgia. At least it was close. And Ohio wasn't even close. Yeah, then definitely, I think, Georgia should have also went blue. And the popular vote is 56 to 43. Hawley was destroyed. Probably this probably wasn't realistic enough. If I were to make a realistic prediction, Hawley would definitely carry Oklahoma, Ohio. He would carry Oklahoma. He would carry Ohio. He would probably carry North Carolina, lose Georgia, maybe even carry Florida. I think Warnock could win in Florida, though. He'd lose the Rust Belt as well. Hawley isn't that strong of a candidate. Like, he doesn't have a very good appeal to independents. Okay, thank you for watching this video. Subscribe, like, comment. And by the way, if you're wondering why I ask also to comment, is because more people get this in their recommended, which means more people subscribe, and more people like, which means more people get it in their recommended, which means it's a circle. Thank you for, whoa, here's the exit polls. Pause if you want to see the exit polls in detail. There we go. Thanks for watching.